Did you know that for a Boeing weighing more than 400 tons to fly across oceans, it depends on a machine powerful enough to melt almost anything, yet precise enough to operate flawlessly without deforming? That machine is the jet engine. To make this possible, manufacturers build thousands of highly engineered components with microscopic precision before assembling them into one perfectly integrated system. Today, join the factory as we go behind the scenes inside the world's leading aerospace facilities to uncover how modern aircraft engines are made. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. The aircraft engine industry is worth nearly $160 billion every year. A modern turbofan engine can contain more than 30,000 components operating under extreme heat, pressure, and vibration. Some engines produce over 127,000 pounds of thrust and cost more than $30 million each. That is why aerospace companies invest billions annually into precision engineering, advanced materials, and safety testing. Inside the combustion chamber, compressed air mixes with jet fuel and ignites, creating superheated gases that can exceed 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. That energy spins the turbine at incredible speed. The rotating shaft then powers the giant front fan, generating the thrust needed to carry aircraft across oceans. To survive this harsh environment, jet engines rely on titanium alloys, nickel superalloys, and carbon fiber composites designed specifically for aerospace applications. Modern fan blades must remain lightweight while resisting enormous rotational forces. That is why many turbofan engines now use carbon fiber composite blades instead of traditional metal designs. Thin carbon fiber layers are cut and arranged based on load direction before being shaped into a twisted aerodynamic profile. The blade then goes through resin injection, high-pressure curing, CNC machining, polishing, and multiple inspection stages, including X-ray and ultrasound testing. Finally, each blade is carefully balanced before installation into the fan disc. Inside the engine, the compressor rotor assembly transforms airflow into extremely high pressure. Compressor discs and blades are manufactured from high-strength titanium alloys using advanced forging and CNC machining systems. Each blade is installed in carefully balanced positions because even tiny weight differences can create dangerous vibrations at high RPM. Before final approval, engineers perform balancing, alignment, and rotational inspections to ensure maximum stability and efficiency. During final assembly, thousands of engine components are brought together inside massive aerospace factories. The engine casing, compressor stages, combustion chamber, and turbine modules are carefully installed onto the central shaft using automated lifting systems. Next, fuel lines, lubrication systems, and hundreds of sensors are connected throughout the engine. All data is controlled by the FADEC system, the digital brain of the turbofan engine. Finally, the completed engine undergoes full power testing before being approved for installation onto a commercial aircraft.